If you're an iPhone user, accessing your OneDrive files on the go is both easy and secure. Let's walk through how to download and use OneDrive on your iPhone to keep your files away within reach. Open the App Store on your iPhone, then tap on the search icon. Type in OneDrive and locate the app published by Microsoft Corporation. Tap Get and wait for the install. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be asked to sign in using your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password, then tap Sign in. Since mine requires an iOS 17 or later, it can't be installed here, so please follow the instructions ahead. Tap Sign in if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Complete that process too. And now you're in. Your files and folders are organized neatly. You can open, download or share any file and even upload new items from your iPhone directly to OneDrive. And that's all it takes to access your OneDrive on an iPhone. Within a few taps, you can manage your files anytime, anywhere with complete ease. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.